Man, it's been a rough past 2-3 days cleaning this shit out. Man, YouTube, I ain't realized I had this much shit up in this jank. I got the top and shit up in the garage along with a few other pieces. Ready to strip this top off. Sand all these rust spots down. Try to finish cleaning out this trunk. I got so much shit, man. Damn, I can't believe I let this car sit this long. It's accumulating shit, man. I think I was using this shit like a storage bin. Look at the wheels. Rally wheels. Through. They are fucking through. I'm sand all this shit down to the metal. Bring that back. I might order another hood, so I ain't really too worried about the hood. Went ahead and ordered all new emblems and shit, man. I gotta get another grill. So, yeah, that's where I'm at with it. I'm gonna do everything myself on this jank. So y'all stay tuned. I wouldn't even call this shit part 1. It's still like part fucking 5 or 10, yo, how much shit I had to do just to get here. Like, I'm gonna take y'all up in there in a minute to show y'all how much shit I had to do. I ain't trying to wake the little monster up. Yeah. I'm gonna continue, man. I'm gonna cut y'all back on when I'm done. Alright, took a little pause for the cars right now. I got my buddy with me. About to ride to my mom Duke's crib, pick up some packages. That shit should be alright over there like that. Shut everything down. I'm gonna go ahead and show y'all what I've been working on. Alright. Oh, the light out right now. Oh, fuck it. I'll leave the light out. It's hot out here. Got my phone. That's for the top. Landu top foam. Also probably wrap my dashboard. You know, I was about to looking for some 22s, man. Need some tires, but they'll fit a Charger. Got them janks up in this motherfucker, man. It took me about 3-4 days cleaning this shit out. Like, telling you, man, I had to put file cabinets in this jank to put all of my shit, some tables. Them ain't nothing but toolboxes up under the table. YouTube, I got everything I need. Compressors, 2 hydro dipping tanks already set up, wired, ready to go. Probably be watching some sprayway up in this jank. No. Got all of my stuff ready, man. I'm just getting them ready. This is more shit out the box Chevy right here. Some of the door seals and bagging and tagging a lot of shit. I know, at that dash panel sitting up there. I got some more shit. Got some crates full of parts and whatnot. But anyway, man, I got to go pick up some packages, man. So, that's about it right now. Me and my buddy. Ready to ride. Yeah, check back in when I'm done, man. Snatching a lot of this damn trim pieces off. See, I did the same thing on the trunk. Snatched that off. Got a few other little spots on here. Did all of that. YouTube, I'm having trouble getting this damn trim piece off, man. I'm sitting there now taking a break trying to figure out how to get it off. Look at this. That's a little, you know, breaking the clips. Once I figure out how to get that off, I'm gonna go ahead and film that. Look, I got it loose, and it looked like it's out, like it want to come out, but I don't know what the fuck going on. And no, I ain't trying to go crazy and just start snatching shit, man. Like, I'm trying to keep everything, you know, good, straight. But I am about to order some more of them clips So I done broke too many of them already. Taking this trim piece off up here, that ain't shit. That just, you know, you just popping that jank up. But you gotta get the little side ones off first. All that shit was just some Phillips heads. So I'm gonna snatch all this vinyl off, replace that. I took the piece off on the other side already. Just pry that out and pop it. They riveted in, so they gonna have to be riveted back. Dude, look at the interior, man. Interior ain't bad for me not driving this car in like 6-7 years. I had it for about 10 to 12 years. Just been sitting. Every time I drive this motherfucker, man, police pull me. Never had a license, so now license suspended. Going through hella shit. Now, shit, man, I'm back legit. Staying out of all that bullshit like I was when I was younger. And I'm gonna hit her hard, man. I'm gonna hit her hard. Ain't no taking her from me this time. I got these rally wheels. I power washed them today. Gotta go ahead and take a wire wheel to them janks, sand them down, bring them back. Go ahead and paint them. Probably get like some metallic aluminum, paint them. Looking for this damn impact strip. I found it, man, but it's like $300 fucking dollars. This for a rubber fucking impact strip. So go ahead and buy that bullshit. I already got all new emblems. I got, you know, brand new hood emblem, all the trunk ones, the, you know, closing on the trunk. Got door handles. I bought all new window sweeps, inner and outer. That's gonna come with this chrome piece right here. Same for the inside. I gotta come through, take all of this shit off though. I'm gonna polish all of this up, the ones that I don't got. And I'm trying to find how can I, you know, go ahead and bring this back. I might plastic dip it or something, man. You know, take it off, try to keep it straight. Who knows? I may just get rid of it. I'm gonna snatch these rocker trims off at the bottom, but I ain't trying to do too much and get caught up in this rain right now. Know what I'm saying? Still got that bullshit 305 in there. She been holding strong, man. She got me here. Way from parked in my mama yard. Motherfucker wasn't under no car cover or nothing. Just sitting. Used to be sitting under a tree before she cut the fucking tree down, but I got the beauty rings and the caps for them too. They look good. The top and everything up in there. Look at this. Yeah, all that got to go. Got to go. Got to go. You up, buddy? Oh yeah. That's all the old shit, man. I just took that off today. Got the top sitting up under here. I started putting some body filler on that jank years ago. Never even finished it. That's for the dash pad cover. I think I said top. Y'all know what the fuck it is. You know what I'm saying? I started taking off shit, labeling this jank. Man, when y'all take stuff off, bag and tag. Bag and tag. You know, pass, passenger, A-pillar. You know, got all the bolts taped to it as well. Oh, seat cover brackets. Oh boy, don't get hit, man. Look at them, just always up under me, man. Yup, seat cover brackets. Bag and tag is shit, man. But I'm gonna sit here, find out, see if I can find any helpful videos to go ahead and take them trim pieces off, man. If I do, I'll let y'all know. If I don't, I'm gonna let y'all know. But stay tuned, man. It's only part one, man. It's only part one. That right, buddy? You good? All right. So, stay tuned, YouTube.